G'day, this is Michael at O'Donnell's Aussie Homestead. We're just about a kilometre away from our property. We're actually aiming towards it now. We're turning around doing a loop, just filming around the side of the houses and that. But there it is, our place in the distance. We'll head across this lake. We're in sports mode. We're really hammering. We're doing about 60 kilometres an hour. That's about 35 miles per hour. Alright. We'll slow up a bit now, coming up to my sheds. By the way, I'm not at the wheel or at the joystick. This is my son. I would be probably crashed by now. Okay, now we'll just come down a little bit. And we'll go up, probably you can see our sheds over the far side there onto the, so there you go. And we'll just come up in a bit. Now we'll head up the property slowly. We'll head right up past all the, well, that's our, where we're going to have there's our fence we just put in, coming across the creek, and we're just coming up towards a bunch of goats on the hill. When we get closer, you can probably see their little makeshift pallet get out of the rain shed there. See them there? Little cute little things they are. Just a bunch of pallets. Now we're going to get up over these hills, these trees, and we're going to head out towards the west. We'll just head out a bit. You can see there the
maximum flight altitude reached.
As you can see, we're a bit high. We're at 75 meters, which is, I think that's, yeah, I wouldn't say it's maximum height. I think we're at about 210 feet. And this is the highway that goes past us. It's about a kilometre away or so. We'll go out a little bit past out there. We'll show you, there's the road that goes past our place there with that little tree line going out underneath the highway. We'll go for a sweep round and head back towards the property. Yeah, doing about 50 k's here, coming back over the lake. Here's our property just here. We might take it up north, just go for a zap out that way. Okay, we're about 22-25 meters, and we're just coming down the property heading north. We're going to take you for a bit of a run around the block to give you an understanding where we're at. Look, why we've got the opportunity here now, flying at a nice altitude, I'd like to bring it to your attention that if you like this video, please like it. If you like to subscribe it, that would be even fantastic. And if you could ring that notification bell, that would make me absolutely jumping out of my skin. Now, if you could do a little bit further and share it to someone, because you know how it is, your friends love it when you share with them. Anyway, we'll just head out a bit north, enjoying ourselves here. See, when I first started doing this type of thing, I found out that it's a bit like when I was a young boy. I used to talk too much, or incessantly. People go nuts with it. I've calmed down over the years, but In YouTube, you want me to talk. So, I hope you do. So that's what I'm going to do, because I reckon I could talk underwater with a mouthful of marbles. I don't know how true that is. I tried it once or twice. It wasn't comfortable. Anyway, we're going down the creek, Wyong Creek. This, as you can see it now, this heads down towards the town. We're just cruising down it. We'll just keep on heading down it a bit, and then we'll turn around and come back. Yeah. Anyway, I might just turn around about now. Just thought I'd show you a bit of the waterways and stuff. We'll turn around now and head back. Big wide sweep, more like it.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
As you can, we have it set at a height so I don't go too high. Same as distance, just protecting ourselves. Now you can see we're heading back towards our place. It's out there towards the centre of the screen, just about a little bit towards the right side. There we basically now in the centre of the screen. I hope you enjoyed our flight. Aussie Homestead. That's people trying to get in on the phone call. Very annoying. That's why it doesn't happen in normal planes, because they're not allowed to have their phones on, are they? Here we go, we're just coming down now. Coming in for a landing. I hope it wasn't too bumpy a flight for you. And you enjoyed the snacks and refreshments we supplied. That's good to see. We should be just about landing now. Yes, now the goats come over and will attack us.
Landing.
Hope you had a pleasant flight. Bye.